everyone and welcome to another Charge of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 16th of February around 10:17 p.m. Eastern Time. And here we go with another Charge of the Day video. As I always say, Charge of the Day is a session that we publish every single day in our site, and we explain it to our followers, one of the instruments among the 78 instruments that we cover on daily basis. In order to see charts of the day, you just need to click on Elliott Wave forecast, scroll down a little bit, and you're gonna see charts of the day here. Last Thursday was QQQ. Today is gonna be Amazon. So an ABC and Elliott Wave is an structure that it runs in a sequence of 5-3-5. This is how an ABC looks like. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes a 3 weeks put back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An ABC is a contra trend structure. In other words, is corrected by nature, and it should be ending about the relationship of the 1.618 extension between A and B is when the C should be ending. It's very interesting, but Amazon is doing a textbook ABC from the peak. And Amazon did from the peak on November, it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. That's 5, my bad. That makes A in blue. 1, 2, 3. That makes B in blue. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Amazon already has reached the minimum extension within the ABC, and the extension was at 204. And we believe that Amazon soon is gonna bounce. It's very important that the bounce break this connector in our system. In other words, that tendency will be that the A and B and C and blue becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the highest ABC will happen. But for now, it's just 3 weeks, a simple ABC. Let's take a look at this decline from here. And the decline from here goes like, it's gonna see it, the 2 in red and then the 2 in black. So when we do that, this is the decline, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we got a 2, and a 2. That's a triple nest. From there, Amazon did 3, 4 in black and blue. That makes 3 in red and black. A 4 right here in black. A 5 in black. A 4 in that makes 3 in red. A 4 in red. And it now is trading within the wave 3 in black in the wave 5 of the highest degree C waves. In my opinion, Amazon is about to bounce, and Amazon here, it should do either this path, it should maybe something like this is still possible before the path. The less likable is, and then before the bounce, I would say, the less likable is that Amazon does something like this and then become, instead of an ABC, it will become a 5 weeks decline. Overall, we see it as an ABC, 3 weeks, and we should be ending the wave C right here, currently in wave 5 or C, as it is described here in this 30-minute chart. So expecting a bounce in Amazon between the area of 204.67, 177.39, Amazon will bounce. Below 179, the A and the B becomes 1 and 2, then Amazon will do still corrected by the highest degree. So like everything, let the market decide. This area right here, it should produce a bounce in Amazon. That's the charts of the day. video for tonight. If you like the video, you can always try us here, 14 days for just 99 cents. That's the charge of the day. See you guys around. Have a good night, everyone.